I'll take this one. A good choice. These vegetables look fresh. Yes, picked this morning. I'll take some greens. Here you are. The rain is heavy today. It is. The vegetables are fresh. I'll take some carrots. This will be a delicious meal. Yes, they're perfect. So fresh today. Perfect for dinner. The aroma is perfect. The aroma is so inviting. Almost ready. This smells so good. Just a little more for the pot. These smell wonderful. Perfect for a rainy day. Is this for me?
Yes, it is.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
I made your favorite today.
It smells wonderful.
Here, some curry.
Thank you.
Is it good?
It's delicious, thank you.
Have some more.
My love, are you awake?
Yes, my heart, I am here.